Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Yeah, this side the light is better. So guys, on today's video, it's a traveling video. I'm already at my destination. I decided to make this intro later because oh god, I have I don't know what they called. Anyway, I decided to make this intro like when I got here because I woke up late. I was all over the house and my tripod broke. Oh god, it's so heartbreaking. Anyhow guys, so today we're traveling, going to Voi, so stay tuned because I'll be updating you guys on each and every day how I spend my time here in Voi. Let's get straight to the video. Now I'm saying I'm trying to use this other phone. It's not that bad of it's just I'm used to this other camera. So how far is it from Voi town from the lodge? Yeah. 5 kilometers. Anyway, I booked like a full board. I don't want to leave the hotel or something. I just want to stay there and have it. So you don't have any plan of having a game drive safari? Game drive, it's going to be expensive if I'll be going alone. If in case I make friends while I'm there and we decide to do a safari, I can do it. If I think 14,000. 14,000. And I saw it's like 2.5 hours in the morning, 2.5 in the evening.
Yeah, but that for 14,000 it is 3.5 hours in the morning. If you have to go for another game in the evening, then you'll have to pay another 14,000.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 14,000 for the 3.5 hours only.
Only.
Yeah.
Oh.
But for the park fee, because you have to pay for the park fee, which is you'll pay at the gate, or you'll pay online. The citizen account. It is 500.
300 kilometers.
Not 300.
Meters.
Meters, yeah, 300 meters.
Voi Wildlife Lodge. Okay. So it's not far from here.
From it, it's not far.
We are almost there.
From here, about 500 meters.
No, but the farther it is away from the town, the more peaceful it is for the guests.
Yeah. No noisy. No.
So when the guest wants to go safari, we go to the Tsavo.
Yeah, we go to Tsavo.
Nice. Anyway, I hope I find people who would want to do the safari with me together. But maybe I'm an introvert. I don't know how to talk to people, so I'll just ask the reception in case there is someone who wants to do safari and they want to share. They just let me know. I'll be interested.
No, one is not blessed with everything.
Yeah?
I'm saying, yeah. One is not blessed.
This is people are living on this side.
Yes.
Just of I think I'll buy a charger as just karibu to Voi Wildlife. Nice.
9:33.
Nice.
So here we are.
We are here at Voi Wildlife Lodge. We have the, I'm a land surveyor, so I'm interested in the coordinate system. Good morning. I put this here. I can have a seat. Okay, thank you. I gotta get a drink. So guys, I'm here at the lodge. The rooms is not ready, but I'll be here. Yeah, and the room is ready. Nice. I hope it's not overpriced like the ones in Diani. No, sometimes in Diani It's so beautiful. So guys, this was my outfit today. I know I love these shorts so much. And I was having these waist beads. Anywho, so I arrived at Voi Wildlife. I'll give you guys a room tour. It's not that big, and I'll give you a tour of the hotel. I know I've shown you guys kidogo kidogo, but I'll do a full tour on the next vlog. So today this was just my traveling, showing you guys where I was coming. So stay tuned. I do a room tour. Yeah, I'm planning for a room tour, the hotel tour. Then we do the food tasting. You know, I love food. I love food. So I'll be here for 3 nights. Let's see how this turns out. 3 nights, 4 days. But I'll be leaving earlier. Anywho, guys, see you on the next video. I forgot to tell you guys something. Let me have a seat. So when I was coming on my way and at the train station, there's this guy. He was reading a leadership book, and he saw me there. Okay, I didn't ask him for help because he had that look. There's that, don't disturb me look. And I was like, okay, let me just keep my cool. I didn't ask him for help, and I was trying to put like my suitcase up there on the train. So I hope you guys understand how it looks. It is. Those from Kenya, they know. And the guy was like just standing there looking at me, suffering there. And I had put my coffee on the small tables at the train, and oh my god, my bag fell down and the coffee was flying up, spilled. Oh god, I'm so sorry to that man whose coffee I spilled. My coffee spilled on him. Thank god it wasn't too hot. And it was funny, like the guy was reading a leadership book and all that, and he's mean. I mean, that guy was giving a resting beach face. He was like beachy. No offense, but I didn't like him. Like, it's not a must for him to help me. I'm not saying, but at least. Anywho, guys, that's it from me. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.